everybody happy International Yoga Day. What I feel actually yoga is a sadhana, और हमें साधना रोज करनी चाहिए. Not only on the day of International Yoga Day. रोज योग करना चाहिए. योग साधना है. And the student, they demonstrated their yoga asanas very beautifully, very clearly and very crisply. So that is what I wanted to see here on this platform, and they proved it. Thank you so much, everybody.
तो शुरू करते हैं अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योगा दिवस, जिसमें आप सभी को योगा करना है. जो योगा आपको हिमांशु सिखाएगा, ठीक है?
Hello, this is Neha Upadhyay from Radha Educational Academy, studying in class 8A. On the occasion of International Day of Yoga, I will talk about Vrikasana. This posture leads your body stretching and make blood circulation fast. First, stand straight. Then put one leg on another, such that the feet kept horizontally. Then put your hands vertically upside and join them like a namaskar pose. Hold the posture familiarly and inhale. Thank you.
Good morning to all. My name is Ayush Bajpayee and I am from Noida Educational Academy. Today I will teach you how to do Sarvangasana. Lie down on your back with your hand straight up on the ground. Raise both your legs straight up and keeping them straight.
Good evening to all. I am Ishan Mishra of class 7 from NA school. Today I am going to do yoga, and the name of that yoga is Dhanurasana. So let's start. So step 1 is lie down on your stomach with your feet and slightly apart, and then slowly fold your knees up and hold your ankles with your hands. Breathe in and lift your chest off the ground and pull your legs up and stretch it out like this.
Hello everyone, my name is Shalini Singh from Noida Educational Academy. Today I am doing Surya Namaskar. So let's start. Stand in Namaskar position. Now stretch your hands and bend your back. Now come forward and touch the floor. Now move your right leg back. Now move your left leg back. Now slide down. Now move your head up like cobra pose. Bend back like this. Now place your left leg between both hands. Now move. Now your right leg between both hands. Now stretch your body and back.
written back in Namaskar position.
Hello everyone, I am Abhijit Shukla of class 8B and I am from Nara Educational Academy Senior Secondary School and I am going to teach you how to do Halasana. Lies on your back with the leg and feet together, palm facing down on either side. Press down with your hand and lift your leg up and over your head and touch your toes on the floor. Breathe and exhale. Now slowly unroll the spine. This is how we can do Halasana with some easy steps. Thank you and have a nice day to all of you.
Thank you, Bhavna ma'am, and thank you team for preparing the students and making them able to be here on this platform. And it's very nice to see that the students, they have made their posters during the event only and they conveyed their message very beautifully, and the message touched to the all heart. I feel that it would have touched everybody. Thank you so much. Thank you Ajay sir for reciting a yoga mantra here, and everybody. I extend my thanks to all people present here on this platform and all the viewers, those who are watching and encouraging our students. So at the end, I'll say, Yog karo aur nirog raho. Stay home, stay healthy, stay happy and stay safe. Thank you so much.